cell phone.
So we're up here on the roof, guys. Just walking around, doing a good inspection, checking everything out. I'm gonna give you some close-ups here. But, I mean, we can see a lot of blistering going on this roof here. We've got a lot of granular loss here. Definitely an issue. Definitely an issue. So we originally got called out here for a leak. And once we got out here to look at the leak, we noticed that, you know, after just a few months since we finished this roof, we've got a lot of blistering, a lot of blistering. All these little black specks you see should not be blistering that quickly. We should not be losing granulars that quickly. Granules, excuse me. I mean, there's quite a few all over the place. All these little black specks here, there, all over the place, and yeah, that's gonna end up being an issue a lot quicker than you could imagine. So we're here to file the claim, get all our evidence, get all the information that the manufacturer needs. Here's another one right here. You see all the black specks everywhere. I'm gonna give you some close-ups here and show you around a little bit more, and we're gonna get this taken care of for this homeowner. Very important to have a very reputable, experienced roofing company that knows how to handle situations like this.